Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious chickpeas. Begin by gathering your dried chickpeas, ensuring they are clean and free of debris. Always use a high-quality product for the best results, as this forms the foundation of your meal. Preparing them from scratch offers a wonderful depth of flavor you cannot achieve with canned varieties, making every dish more satisfying. Soaking is a crucial first step that dramatically shortens cooking time and helps make the chickpeas easier to digest. Simply place 1 cup of dried chickpeas into a generously sized bowl, then cover them with at least 3 inches of fresh, cold water. Let them soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or ideally, overnight, ensuring they fully rehydrate. After soaking, drain and rinse them thoroughly before proceeding. For stovetop cooking, first drain and rinse your soaked chickpeas very well. Transfer them to a large pot, covering them with fresh water, ensuring it rises about 2 inches above the chickpeas. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of baking soda, which helps tenderize them, then bring the water to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer gently for 60 to 90 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Using a pressure cooker is an excellent alternative for a much quicker cooking process. After draining and rinsing, place the chickpeas into your pressure cooker with 3 cups of fresh water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Secure the lid, bring it to high pressure, and cook for exactly 15 minutes. Afterwards, let the pressure release naturally for about 10 minutes before opening, revealing perfectly tender chickpeas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.